comparing numbers. How do we compare numbers? We have to compare them according to their places as per the place value system. So here we have the first question where we have to compare these four numbers. Very simple. First of all, you can just directly look at the numbers and check whether it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number and so on. So here we can see that we have 5-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. So we can directly come to know in the first one that the smallest out of all is 92 because it is a 2-digit number. Next we have a 3-digit number, so we have 392. After that we will have 4456 and the greatest one is going to be 89742. That was for the first part. Now the next part. Here we have all the 4-digit numbers only. So what now? For this we will check their places and starting from the largest place. Now in all the 4-digit numbers, what is the largest place? The largest place is the thousands place. So we will compare their 1000 places. Here we have 9, 9 and 9. So these are having the equal value at the thousands place, but in the next two we have 1. So these two are definitely smaller than the rest of the 3. So we compare these two now. Now if 1 is equal, that is the thousands place value is equal, we will jump to the next, that is the hundreds value. And what is the hundreds value in both? That is 9. Now also they are equal. Then we will jump to the next value, that is the tens place. Here we have 0 and here we have 2. So we know that 0 is smaller than 2. So we can come to the conclusion that 1902 is smaller than 1920. Right? We have just segregated 2 out of the 5. Now let us compare similarly these 3 4-digit numbers. Here we have just checked that all the thousands place are having equal values. So we will jump to the hundreds place. Here we have 202. That means this is the smallest out of the 3. So we will write over here as the next number 9021. After this, let us compare these two, the third and the fifth. Here we have the third value as 0 and here we have 1. Now this is the tens place, right? So which out of both is having the higher tens place value? This one. That means this is smaller. So we will write over here 9201 and the last one is 9210. So if we want to know which one out of these 5 numbers is the smallest, we know this is the smallest. And which one is the largest or greatest? This one is the greatest number out of all the 5 given numbers. That is how we compare the numbers, by comparing their values present on the places. Now for that you always start from the rightmost part. Rightmost part means the highest value possible, right? And before even that, you can just looking at the question, you can analyze that the number of digits present in the digits given to you. So even by that you can do, and if you have all the number of digits same in all the given numbers to be compared, you will just check their values starting from the largest value. And if largest value is same, you will jump to the lesser value, lesser place value than the largest. That is, in this case we started comparing the thousands place, after that we compared the hundreds, tens and so on, right? Next we have the topic of here when we have to make the digits out of the given numbers. So in the first question we have to use these digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. So for this first part we are going to check what is the greatest number and which is the smallest number possible by the use of these 4 digits. So for this we shall start by making 4 dashes. Now we want to make a largest number possible with these 4 numbers. So these 4 numbers are having the values 9741. Now if you want to make a largest 4-digit number, it will have the largest value on the largest place, and the largest place is, let's write down the places first, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? So now the largest value place is thousands, so we'll place the 9 at the thousands place, 7 on the hundreds place, 4 on the tens place, and 1 on the ones place. So we have formed the greatest number possible with these given digits. Now for the smallest one, we'll do the similar thing, we'll make the 4 dashes. So for the smallest also we'll follow the same procedure but in opposite way. For that we must have the smallest number, that is the smallest digit out of all, at the largest place. So we'll have 1, next we have 4, 7, 9. Now you can check, this is the smallest 4-digit number possible with the help of these numbers, these digits, without repetition. We are not repeating any digit. Similarly, this is the greatest 4-digit number possible by use of these digits without repetition. Moving to the next example, please pay attention to this example, it is very important. Now again we are going to make 4 dashes for the greatest. Now we have the 4 digits 4750. For the greatest, we start placing the largest value, the largest digit at the largest place. So we have 7 as the largest value, we place 7. Then we have 5, 4 and 0. So this is the greatest 4-digit number possible with the help of these digits and without repeating them. But the next is, that is when you are finding out the smallest number possible with the help of these digits. For that you will have to start placing the smallest digit out of the given digits at the largest place. But if you do so, what would you get? You would get a 0, 4, 5 and 7. Am I correct? But here you check that this is not a 4-digit number, actually this is representing a 3-digit number, 457. So this is not possible. Then what to do? For this, again I am showing you the correct way. The correct way is, shift this 0 to the next place. We place this 0 to the next place, that is hundreds. We place 4. Now if you put 0 over there, just place 0 over there, one place is occupied and one digit is placed. Now you have 4, 5 and 7. So place 4, the smallest number at the largest place. After that place the next number at the next highest possible, tens place 5, and at the ones place you have 7. So this is the smallest 4-digit number possible by these digits without repetition. Next we have the question, with digits 1, 4, 2, how many 3-digit numbers are possible? Now you have these 3 numbers with you. How many 3-digit numbers can be made? Very simple. There is a particular method of doing this. So let us do this. We will have to make a 3-digit number. So first of all, out of the 3 digits, we will fix 1 digit at the ones place. So I am going to fix 2 over here. What are the other 2 digits left with me? 1 and 4. So I will place 1 and 4. Now this was the first step. For the next digit, I will keep 2 here only. I will reverse their places. That means I can make 4, 1, 2. Done. Next step is fixing 4. So now I am left with the other 2 digits as 1 and 2. So I will place 1 and 2. Next I am going to again keep 4 as it is, and I am going to reverse these digits, giving me 2, 1, 4. I had fixed 2, I had fixed 4, I still can fix 1 at the ones place. So now this is done. I can have the rest 2 of the digits, 4, 2, 2, 4. Now you can check, this is the maximum number of 3 digits possible with the help of these 3 given digits or given numbers, right? So how do you do this? First of all, any of the 3 digits you take and decide any one digit first, fix it at the ones place and try and changing out the position of the rest of the digits. After that, take another digit and fix it at the ones place. The remaining digits are to be reversed in the order. Then finally, doing so, you will get all the 3 digits possible with these 3 given numbers, and that is how you do it.